Guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Ngot. Hey guys, what you're gonna need is some sugar, fish sauce, good quality fish sauce, okay guys? Don't use the shitty brand, okay? Some vinegar, some lime, some chilies, some garlic. All right guys, let's get to it. Here, so I got some minced garlic and some minced chili peppers, okay? Keep on mincing it together so it's nice and fine, okay? You want nice and small pieces so when you eat the fish sauce, it's not too overwhelming, okay? Keep mixing it up together, okay? Here, so I have the fish sauce and the sugar weighed out. So it's equal parts of fish sauce to sugar and 2 parts water, okay? So I got 1 cup of one cup of fish sauce here. I'm gonna pour it into the pot. Okay, 1 cup of sugar. And then 2 cups of water, okay guys? Okay, 2 cups of water. So the ratio is 1:1:2, okay? Alright. Okay, let's bring this to a boil now, okay? Let's bring it to the heat over here. Turn the temperature on high. Bring it to a boil, okay guys? And we'll check back on it, okay? We have the lime. Remember to roll it out, guys, so you get the maximum liquid juicing. Just roll it out, okay? Roll it out and just slice it in half. Oh, and then just slice it in half, okay, like that, just like that, okay? Now we're just waiting for the fish sauce to boil. Once it comes to a boil like that, turn off the heat, okay? Turn it off the heat. Bring it back over here. Pour into a bowl. Okay. Pour that all back into the bowl. And then now, just let it cool down for a bit, and then we'll add the final ingredients, okay? Guys, after the fish sauce has cooled down a bit, now we're gonna add our final ingredients, okay? The minced garlic and chili peppers. Ooh, look at that. See, you have to mince it finely, right? So it looks nice like that, okay? Squeeze in your limes. To this, I'm adding a whole lime, okay? 1 whole lime. Pulp and all. Remember to scrape off the pulp after, okay? Pulp right here, those pulp that's sticking out there. Scrape that into your bowl. Just like this. Okay. Scrape it in there. Okay. The other half. All the pulp into the bowl. Okay, put it around, mix it up. Look, okay, I'm gonna taste it. It's pretty good already by itself. You know what? I'm just gonna give it a few splashes of vinegar. 1, 2. 2 splashes of vinegar, okay? That's it. That should be it. It's good already. I just tasted it and it tastes good already. Okay? And this sauce can be used for anything. It can be used for cơm tấm, bún thịt nướng, bánh xèo, bánh khọt, you know, anything, man. This sauce is very versatile. But for each dish, you might have to tweak it a little bit accordingly, okay? Let me give it another try. Oh, that's perfect. All right, guys, there you have it. My family's recipe. Fish sauce, okay? Learned from my grandma, okay? Shit's juicy.